Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make crispy fried biscuits. This is very similar to your lakdi mithai or sugar coated sticks without the sugar syrup. So let's get started.
I've got here some oil for frying, 2 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour, half cup of raw sugar or you can use white sugar, half cup of water, quarter teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of fine semolina or Sooji and 4 tablespoons of ghee. You will also need a chopping board or you can use your bench top, a pizza cutter or sharp knife, a rolling pin, and a coffee grinder or a spice grinder. Take your grinder jar, add sugar and semolina and grind it into a fine powder. Take a big dish, add flour, salt, powdered sugar with semolina and give it a mix. Take a small fry pan, add ghee and heat it until the ghee is hot. Add it to the flour mixture and mix it using a spoon first. Then use your hands to rub the flour and ghee together until combined. Take some flour in your palm and press it firmly. It should form a lump, which means the flour and ghee ratio is perfect. If it doesn't hold its shape, then add 1 more tablespoon of ghee and mix it again. Add water little by little and knead it into a dough. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, knead the dough again. Roll it into a log and break it in half. Take 1 half of the dough, roll it into a ball, flatten it and roll it into a square shape about 3 mm in thickness. Cut it into thin strips using a pizza cutter or a sharp knife. Take 1 strip at a time and cut it into triangles or any shape you like. Take them out in a dish and repeat this with the second dough. To fry the biscuits, place a wok of fry pan on medium heat, add some oil and heat it. To see if the oil is ready, drop a small piece of dough into the oil. It should stay in the bottom and bubbles should form around it. It means the oil is ready. Lower the heat slightly, add 1/4 of the biscuits and let it cook for 2 minutes without touching it. After 2 minutes, start flipping and turning them frequently so they can cook and brown evenly until you get a light golden brown color. Take them out, place it on a spider spoon, shake the excess oil off and take them out on a plate. Repeat this process with the remaining biscuits. Let the biscuits cool down completely before serving. The biscuits will become crispy as it cools. My crispy fried biscuits are ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends. Leftover biscuits can be stored in a sealed container for up to 1 month. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.